Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, I'm Wardah Lathifah from class 2E in the English Education Department with student number 1212040179 in the State Islamic University of Sunan Gunung Djati, Bandung. Previously, this video was meant to fulfill the final exam of the second semester in Phonology and Phonetic English course lectured taught by Mr. Agung Yudhiantara. My part of the analysis in the YouTube video Nicole Sturgeon First Minister Scotland speech is from minute 50 past 1 until minute 51. Well, this is snippet from the part of the video that I will analyze and we can see together. Well, after seeing it, let's analyze some word in the sentence. Example of type one syllable words: because, one syllable. For analyze, b onset, I nucleus, k onset, o nucleus, z koda, because, one syllable. Sense, one syllable. For analyze, s onset, nucleus, n onset, s koda, one syllable. Sense. Right, one syllable. For analyze, r onset, I nucleus, d koda, right, one syllable. Way, one syllable. For analyze, a nucleus, w onset, a nucleus, way, one syllable. Next, for example of type 2 syllable word: position, 2 syllable, position, 1 syllable, yon, 2 syllable. For analyze, p onset, a nucleus, z onset, I nucleus, sh koda, 1 syllable, a nucleus, n koda, 2 syllable, position, 2 syllable. Ireland, 2 syllable, I, 1 syllable, land, 2 syllable. For analyze, I nucleus, r koda, 1 syllable, l onset, nucleus, n de koda, 2 syllable, Ireland, 2 syllable. Headline, 2 syllable, head, 1 syllable, line, 2 syllable. For analyze, h onset, nucleus, de koda, 1 syllable, l onset, I nucleus, n koda, 2 syllable. Headline, 2 syllable. Next, example of 3-word syllable: terribly, 3 syllable, ter, 1 syllable, 2 syllable, bly, 3 syllable. For analyze, t onset, nucleus, r koda, 1 syllable, nucleus, 2 syllable, bly onset, 3 syllable, terribly, 3 syllable. Government, 3 syllable, gov, 1 syllable, 2 syllable, man, 3 syllable. For analyze, g onset, nucleus, v koda, 1 syllable, nucleus, n koda, 2 syllable, m onset, nucleus, n t koda, 3 syllable. Government, 3 syllable. Protocol, 3 syllable, pro, 1 syllable, t, 2 syllable, call, 3 syllable. For analyze, p onset, r onset, o nucleus, 1 syllable, r onset, nucleus, 2 syllable, k onset, and o nucleus, and l koda, 3 syllable. Protocol, 3 syllable. Next, for 2 stress word in the syllable 2 is position. The simple stress on the 1 syllable, p. Airline, the simple stress for the first syllable, air. Headline, the simple stress was in the first syllable, head. For the 3 syllable stress word, terribly, the simple word in the first syllable, ter, government, the stress word in the first syllable, gov, and protocol, the stress word in the first syllable, pro. This all video analysis from minute 50 past 1 until 51 from me. I'm sorry if there are anything wrong. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See ya.